Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to completely remove or uninstall Google Chrome in Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so if you have Google Chrome installed and somehow if you want to remove it completely, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so we need to follow these three steps. Okay, so first of all we need to open the terminal. Okay, so in order to open the terminal you need to right click on the desktop and click on this open terminal. And guys, you can also open this terminal by going to this show applications, and in the search box if you type terminal. Okay, so here we have, just click to open it. Okay, so here we have the terminal. Okay, so let me open the file. Okay, so the step one, we need to type this command. Okay, so I will place this command in the video description. You can check it out. All these commands I will put that. Okay, so let me copy this command, go to our terminal, right click in the terminal and click on paste. Okay, so as you can see it's asking me the password. Okay, so let me type the password. You need to type your password. Okay, after that you just need to hit enter on the keyboard. Press Y on the keyboard and hit enter. Okay guys, so it's done. But if I go to my this files, and if I press Ctrl plus H on the keyboard, you can see the dot files over here, that is the hidden files. Okay, you can also open the hidden files by clicking on this this three bars over here, and here we have this show hidden files. If you check that, you can easily see the hidden files. Okay, so if I go to my .config, you can see the Google Chrome folder we have still, and if I go back and if I go to my .cache, I can see the Google Chrome folder is still there. Okay, but we want to remove Google Chrome completely from our Ubuntu 18.04 system. Okay, so we need to use these two commands also. Okay, so first of all we need to remove the Google Chrome folder in .config, this directory. Okay, so we need to use this command. And guys, you need to type your username over here. Okay, so how you can find your username if you don't know, then you just need to go to your terminal and type this command, who am I. Okay, and hit enter. You can see it's giving me my username. So when you type who am I, it will give your username. So you need to replace this username with that. Okay, with your username. So I'm typing mine 12123, and also over here 12123. Okay, you need to write your username. Okay, so after that you need to copy this command, go to your terminal, and right click on that and paste it. Okay, and hit enter on the keyboard. It's done. Okay, so again you need to go to your file and copy this command and go to your terminal and right click on the terminal and click on paste and hit enter on the keyboard. It's done. Okay, so if I go to this files, this directory, you can see if I go to my config, you can see there is no Google Chrome folder over here. Okay, and if I go back and if I click on this .cache folder, you can see there is no Google Chrome folder over here. Okay, so it's now completely removed. So that's it guys. In this way you can completely remove or uninstall Google Chrome in Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.